trying gifts. I'm Nikia, your dedicated specialist. Step into our sample room, home to military crowns, medals, and custom metal crafts. Real memories are carved into metal with value. At the heart of production, high-end CNC machine transform design into hardened molds with pinpoint precision. Our automated carving and printing lines drive efficiency, ensuring premium finish and rapid turnaround for high-volume orders. High-pressure die casting then injects molten metal into these molds, creating solid brains ready for fine processing. Here is the polishing that gives the products premium feel. Every step undergoes strict inspection, from pattern clarity to painting adhesion. Backed by international certifications, all products meet export standards before delivery. We don't just ship products, we deliver peace of mind. As your dedicated partner, I'm here to handle every detail. Welcome to reach out and experience the trying gift difference.